I'm afraid when two things are in between me. Because when I get out, I can't. I am afraid of snakes because some of them are poisonous. I am afraid of flu shots. I don't know why I am. I just am. I am afraid of flu shots. I don't know why I am. I just am. I am scared when my brother scares me because he's really good at scaring people. What makes me afraid is the 4 vents in my room because they make noises and creep me out. What I'm scared of, going down in my basement because I think there's ghosts down there. I am scared of the dark in my basement at night. I am afraid of the dark because I can't see anything.
Some things I'm afraid of are not waking up on time if my alarm doesn't go off, and then I'm late for the day. I am also afraid of spiders and snakes. I do have a serious fear. And I am afraid once in a while when Mr. Schreiber drives too fast, and it makes me a little nervous. So those are some things that I'm afraid of. But when I am afraid, I know that I can just pray and talk to God, and that helps me feel better.
I'm scared of sharks because they have sharp teeth. I'm scared of the dark because I think there's ghosts. I am scared of Drew yelling because it is so loud, and it is very loud because he is little and he has a strong voice.